You're welcome to Crown Prince TV channel. Subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for joining.
The official spokesperson of the United Alliance for African Grant Comrade OCG writes to encourage the subscribers in grant ecosystem to stay focused and be rest assured that the grant disbursement is imminent this month. He wrote, "Great Nigerians, great people, great nation, partners of UAAG and indeed ladies and gentlemen. I write you today with immense gratitude for your unwavering support and trust in our mission. Your commitment as grant subscribers is not just a financial investment, but a testament to your belief in the power of positive change. I understand the anticipation and excitement surrounding the delivery of the grant. Be rest assured that our team is working tirelessly hard behind the scenes to ensure that every subscriber receives their grant promptly. Delays that may have occurred, please know that they are not indicative of a lack of dedication on our part. Rather, they are a reflection of the meticulous care we are taking to ensure that everyone is allocated efficiently and effectively, maximizing its impact on the communities we serve. I urge you to remain patient and steadfast in your support. Together we are laying the foundation for a brighter future, one where opportunity knows no bounds and where the seeds of innovation and progress can flourish. Finally, I want to express my deepest appreciation for your continued faith in our organization, UAAG. Your faith is not only transforming lives but shaping a better world for generations to come. With your help, we will overcome any obstacle and deliver on our promise of positive change. More time will not be wasted, thank you." Quote, Khmer. OCG, the official spokesperson of UAAG. On this day, 13th day of March, 2024.